Ever feel like your budget is holding you back from enjoying life? It's easy to think that cutting back on your spending means cutting back on fun. But what if you could stretch your budget without sacrificing your lifestyle? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 8 simple tricks that can help you save money while still enjoying the things you love. You don't need to compromise your happiness to get your finances in order, and these tips will show you how to do it. Let's get started. 1. Reduce energy costs without sacrificing comfort. Saving money doesn't always have to mean giving up on things you enjoy, especially when it comes to your energy usage. If you're tired of paying high utility bills, there are plenty of practical steps you can take to reduce your energy consumption without affecting your comfort. Start by switching to energy-efficient appliances. Many modern appliances have high energy ratings that can save you money in the long run, even if they seem more expensive upfront. For example, LED light bulbs last longer and consume less power than traditional bulbs. You can also install secondary glazing on your windows to improve insulation. This helps retain heat in the winter and keeps your home cooler during the summer, meaning lower heating and cooling costs. Another trick is to unplug devices when they're not in use. Things like chargers, kitchen appliances, and electronics still draw power even when switched off, so making it a habit to unplug them can help you save without even thinking about it. By focusing on these small, practical changes, you can cut your energy bills without making big sacrifices to your lifestyle. 2. Rethink your transportation choices. Transportation is one of the biggest expenses for most people, but there are ways to cut those costs without giving up your freedom to travel. First, think about carpooling. Whether it's with a friend, family member, or coworker, sharing rides can reduce fuel costs significantly. You can also look into discount travel cards that offer savings on bus or train fares. Walking or cycling for short trips is another great way to save money. Not only does it cut out the cost of fuel, but it's also a great form of exercise. If you're not ready to give up your car entirely, downsize to a more fuel-efficient vehicle. Even switching to a hybrid or electric car can significantly reduce your transportation costs in the long run. Public transport is another option worth considering. In many cities, monthly or yearly passes can be a cheaper way to get around if you're commuting regularly. Not only do you save money on fuel, but you avoid the hassle of finding parking. If you're living in a city with good public transportation, take full advantage of it to stretch your budget without cutting your fun. One more trick is to think about ride-sharing apps. While they're not always as cheap as public transportation, in some cases, they can be more cost-effective than owning a car, especially when you factor in insurance, maintenance, and gas. Experiment with these alternatives to find what works best for your lifestyle. 3. Maximize your grocery budget. Smart shopping habits can help you save big on groceries. Start by shopping at budget-friendly supermarkets. Smaller stores often have cheaper prices for similar quality. Loyalty cards offer discounts and rewards on regular items, helping you save over time. Use cashback apps for everyday grocery purchases to get instant savings. Another strategy is to buy in bulk for non-perishable items like pasta and rice. By sticking to your grocery list and cooking at home, you save money and improve your diet. Meal planning also helps prevent impulse buys and reduce food waste. 4. Shop secondhand. Thrifting is a great way to save money without sacrificing quality. Shop for secondhand clothes, electronics, and furniture at flea markets or local charity shops. You'll find high-quality items for a fraction of the cost of new ones. You can also swap clothes with friends. Host a clothes swap to refresh your wardrobe without spending a dime. Another option is to browse online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. They often have excellent deals on used items, whether you're looking for furniture or electronics. 5. Leverage loyalty programs and employer perks. Many of us overlook the rewards programs that come with shopping regularly, but they can add up to big savings over time. Loyalty programs offer discounts, cashback, or special deals for repeat customers. Sign up for these programs and make sure to use them every time you shop. If you shop at specific stores frequently, their rewards programs could save you hundreds of dollars annually. Employer perks can also help you save money, often in ways you may not have considered. For example, some employers offer discounts on gym memberships, travel, or even shopping. Check with your HR department to see what benefits are available. You might be surprised at the discounts on your monthly services like mobile phones, insurance, or other subscriptions that you can take advantage of simply by being employed there. If you're not using your employee discounts, you're missing out on easy savings. Maximize your benefits by keeping track of what's available to you and using them whenever possible. These perks can give you the opportunity to enjoy more for less, whether it's leisure activities, health benefits, or simply getting a discount on your regular shopping. 6. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Subscriptions can easily become a hidden drain on your budget. It's easy to sign up for a streaming service or a gym membership and forget about it. But over time, those small payments add up. The first step is to audit your subscriptions. Take a look at everything you're subscribed to, from streaming platforms like Netflix to gym memberships, and ask yourself, am I really using this? Consider taking a break from services that you're not using frequently. For example, if you're not watching much TV, canceling your cable or streaming service for a few months could save you a significant amount of money. If you've been paying for a gym membership but haven't gone in a while, put it on hold or cancel it and try other free options like home workouts or outdoor activities. Don't forget to negotiate your bills. Call your internet, phone, or insurance provider and see if you can get a better deal. Companies want to keep their customers, and they may be willing to offer a discount if you ask. This simple step could lower your monthly expenses without affecting your quality of life. 7. Practice smart spending habits. Smart spending is about being intentional with where your money goes. It's not about restricting yourself, but rather about making thoughtful decisions. Start by challenging yourself to have a buy-nothing day each week. This practice helps you become more aware of your spending habits and keeps you from making impulsive purchases. Another great strategy is to buy in bulk for non-perishable items. Items like pasta, rice, or cleaning supplies last a long time, and buying them in larger quantities can save you money in the long run. If you're buying something that isn't a necessity, give yourself 24 to 48 hours before making the purchase. This gives you time to think about whether you really need it. Automating your savings is another smart spending habit. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month so you won't be tempted to spend that extra money. By doing this, you're treating your savings like a bill that you can't avoid, ensuring that you're putting money away for your future while still enjoying your present. 8. Build your credit for better financial flexibility. A strong credit score can help you secure better loan rates, mortgages, and credit card rewards. One way to build your credit is by using a service like Lockbox, which allows you to save while also improving your credit score. By regularly making payments and reporting them to credit reference agencies, you can strengthen your credit over time, giving you more financial flexibility. Having a good credit score means you'll pay less in interest rates, which can save you thousands of dollars over the course of your life. It can also help you qualify for better rewards and deals on credit cards, making it easier to earn cashback and discounts on purchases. Additionally, improving your credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities, whether it's getting a lower mortgage rate or receiving special offers from lenders. Building your credit should be an essential part of your financial plan if you want to enjoy long-term financial success. So, there you have it. 8 simple tricks to stretch your budget without cutting out the fun. These strategies let you save money without giving up the things you love. By making small changes and being more intentional with your spending, you can reach your financial goals while still enjoying life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing money and achieving financial success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.